Hi, my name is George Peagles. I'm a metallurgist. I understand the mysteries of the dark metal. I'm also a knife maker. I would like to introduce you to a German dirk, a stag hunting knife. Basically the European version of a Bowie knife, an American Bowie knife. This is my interpretation. Has a nice spear point. Has an antler handle. They would use a red stag handle. Has a pleasing shape and feel to the hand. It's made of premium steels. This is Crucible Industries S35VN. It has an incredible hardness and edge retention. It also has an incredible toughness, so it won't corrode or wear away. And worst push comes to shove, if you abuse it, it'll bend, not break, not snap the tip off or chip the edge. I make these knives from bar stock, grind away what I need, send it off, have it hardened. It's certified at 60 Rockwell hardness. It feels very natural in the hand. You see, most people have a muscle right here, and it fits around the bend of that antler. Comparable knives like this on the market sell for up to $500. And should I spend the time and effort, put another 20 hours in polishing, I can make this into a pure mirror finish and a high gloss shine, and it would be a museum piece. But I would much rather that you took this out in the field and used it in your hunting and fishing endeavors, and not leave it in a museum or on a mantle as a showpiece. It has, if you look very closely, there's some imperfections because it takes me about 20 hours to make one of these, and I sell them for $170, $200. This is a using knife that I think you will be very pleased with in your hand and not have the frustration that you have with much cheaper things on the market. You have a good day.